am here inside my house. Only me and my mother here. No bastards are here. Okay, these smells will be creating nasty stories that someone is here. Nothing. No one is here. Only me and my mother, and my partner is Hukum Gujar Mukesh Kumar Advocate, and he is there. He's a Rajasthani person. He is a Rajasthani native, and he is there in Delhi. Okay, nothing else. And what I say is, you all know these smells are trying to induce several diseases now started applying laser here actually, and all here this portion, these smells are doing something. These smells will create kyphosis, scoliosis, all these things. Okay, kyphosis, scoliosis, and these smells will try to harm my hip bone actually, so that these smells can have money, hip replacement, this and that. You all know about what and all these smells are planning actually by inducing this with several type of disease also, by spraying what you know like spraying a poisonous gas, by burning my skin, and even applying laser onto my whole face. But if we what you know conduct a skin examination, like the condition of our examination, our facial skin, this and that, leg, what you know, soul skin, this and that, then we can easily make out it is burned, not the real what texture of the skin. It's not the what you know raw skin or anything. It is dead, already dead, and due to the burn it got dead. We can make out. These people can make out actually the if we examine the skin. Actually, there are so many ways actually to see all these things, to prove all these things. And I'm not going to any what you know parlor or anything, but these smells are we can make out easily. Like they have taken my eyebrows and steaming my eyebrows, this and that. Even my eyelashes, these smells are making them fall, this and that, by using laser. All these smells will be applying laser around my eyes to burn my skin around my eyes, and these eyebrows look thin, this and that. These smells are always doing all these.